Hello guys, today we will learn about how to install OBS Studio in our Windows. Okay, so first what you have to type is OBS Studio download. Then the first link that appear, we will click over there, click. Then after that we'll scroll down and here we can see three options. There are download installer, download via BitTorrent, and another is download zip. Now here we will download installer. Okay, so click here. Then after this, clicking that, our download is start, but I'll cancel this because I have already downloaded that OBS Studio. So close this. Then here click in the downloaded exe file. Then you will get a pop-up. You will see a pop-up which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then click yes. So after clicking yes, this dialog will open. Then here we'll click next, and here is the license information given. So now we will simply click next. Then we will choose where we want to install our OBS Studio, right? Then I will choose another drive. Let's see. Okay, let's download in D drive. Okay, then then our OBS will be installed in D drive. Then install. Our installation, it will take a while. Now our installation of OBS Studio is complete. Then